Hello students, welcome back to the S Chemistry YouTube channel. In this lecture, we try to discuss the tricks which are used to solve numericals without calculators or log tables. Yes, without calculators or log tables. So starting with the first numerical which is asked in October 2015. The numerical is silver crystallizes in FCC structure. The age length of unit cell is found to be 408.7 picometer. Calculate density of unit cell provided molar mass of silver is 108 gram per mole. So you must know the formula of density. Density rho is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Avogadro number. So where rho is density, Z is number of particle per unit cell, then M is molar mass. You know Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 particles per mole, and A cube is what? Volume of unit cell, as you know. What is given in the numerical problem? Okay, they give age length is 408.7 picometer, molar mass is 108 gram per mole, and the number of particle they give FCC. Right, so for FCC number of particles are 4 particles. If molar mass is given in gram per mole, automatically density should be in gram per cm cube. So our first duty is to convert picometer into centimeter. So starting with the age length, A is equal to how much? 408.7 picometer. What can I do? Just the number 7 is greater than 5, so you can round off into 409 picometer, right? So 409, what is mean of pico? Pico means 10 raised to minus 12. 409 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter. So you convert meter into centimeter. 409 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, so this value you have to put up in this formula. So by taking formula, rho is equal to how much particles are present in FCC unit cell? There are 4 particles. Molar mass 108 divided by, what is Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. And what is A? A is 409 into 10 raised to minus 10 whole cube. Okay, now what can I do now? So you have to multiply these two numbers. Density is equal to 8 4s are 32, right? 3 4 1s are 4. I can this round off, neglect this number, taken as 6, right? Into 409 cube. Okay, now power multiplication, 10 into 3 30 minus 30, right? 10 raised to 23, 10 raised to minus 30, so it comes to be 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, 10 raised to minus 7. So what is rho is equal to? Rho is equal to 432. Now if you divide 432 by 6, it comes to be, right, 6 7s are 42, 1 is remaining, 112 was 6 2s are, so it comes to be 72 divided by, right, 409 cube into how much? 10 raised to minus 7. Now it is very simple. You have to take only cube of 409. So how can we take cube? By simple method. Okay, now look at the board now. Everybody just make 3 columns, right, and 3 rows. Okay, so put here 409, multiply 4 4s are 16, 400, okay. 4 nines are 36. Now here 0, 0, 0 multiplied by anything, 0, no doubt. 9 fours are 36. Once again, right? 0, 9, 0, 0, okay. 9 nines are 81, 81. So add diagonally, right? There is only one, no doubt. 8, 8, 6 and 6, 12, 1, 3, 3, 6 and 7, 7, right? Then 6 and then 1. Once again, 1, 8, 6, 6, 12. There is one power 3 and 4. 3, 3, 6 and 1, 7. 6 and 1. Okay. Now 409 raised to cube means 409 into 409 into 409. So you have to multiply once again. You have to multiply once again. 336. Okay. So once again I will draw the table here. 167 281 281. Okay. You require just a minute to calculate cube, okay? And there is once again you have to multiply by 409. So 409 into 409 into 409, multiply very fast, very simple. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 twos are 12, sorry 8, 4 twos are 8, 8 fours are 32, 4 ones are 4. Okay, you have to write 0, no doubt. 0, because 0 multiplied by anything 0. Okay, no doubt. 9 ones are 9, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 twos are 18, 9 eights are 72 and 9 ones are 9. So add diagonally 9, 2, 8, 4, 12, 12 and 7, 19, 1, 2 and 3, 3, 3, 4 and 7, 7. So 8, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 6, 17, 17 and 4, 21, 21, so this is 2, 2, 8, 10, 10, 5, 10, 5, 15, 15 and 9, 24, so 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, here is 8, 4, 2, 6, there is 0, 6. So what is the 409 cube? 409 cubes comes to be, right, 7, 2 divided by 7, 2 divided by 6, 8, 4, 1, 7, 9, 2, 9. So and into 10 raised to minus 7. So what is the problem? So if you divide these two big number, there is a little bit problem. How can solve it? Now here is the 2 digits, okay? So convert this big number into 2 digit. Move this decimal point through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So if you decrease the value by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit, you have to increase the power by 6. Decrease value, increase power. Decrease value, increase power. Okay. So now we can write 72 divided by 68.417929 into 10 raised to 6. Decrease by 6 number. So you have to increase the power by 6 number, no doubt, into 10 raised to how much? Minus 7. So it comes to be 10 raised to minus 1. So 10 raised to minus 1, it becomes 10 raised to 1 in the numerator, no doubt. So you have to divide 72 by 68, and it is now very simple. It is now very simple. How we can divide 72 by 68? Okay. So how much it comes to be 68 ones are 68, remaining is what? Remaining is 4, right? 0 point, again 0, 0. So 68 and 400. If you multiply 68 by just 5, we can say 8 5s are 40, then 6 5s are then 34. It comes to be 340. So it comes to be 340, means 5s are 1.05. So what is your answer? If you divide 72 by 68, neglect this number. This is less than 5, so neglect this number. Rho is equal to, it comes to be 105. Now 105 into what? 10 raised to minus 1. It comes to be in the numerator it becomes 10 raised to 1. 10 raised to 1 become, that means you have to increase the value, decrease the number, power, decrease the power. We can say rho is equal to 10.5. What is the answer? Gram per cm cube, right? So mass is given in gram and the length is given in what? We can say centimeter. Converting to centimeter, it becomes cm cube. When takes cube here, cm cube becomes cm cube. So our answer is density is equal to 10.5 gram per cm cube. It is very simple. The next video, again, it is for tricks to solve numericals without calculators and log table. It is very simple. You can do with calculator. The answer remains same. If you do calculations with calculator, answer remains same. It should be 10.5 gram per cm cube. Thank you so much for watching. Okay.